Beyond gaining video views organically, you might want to run some paid video promotions. And you can do that either by running your video as an advertisement in front of other videos, or as a recommended video in search or after someone watches selected content. Now, you'll run your advertisements via AdWords, so you need to start by adding the YouTube video that you want to promote to your YouTube account, and then you'll visit your AdWords account here at adwords.google.com. Now, I'm in the Campaigns tab, and the first step of this process is to select the down arrow next to Campaign and choose Online Video, which is the last option on the list. Now, the first thing that Google is going to do is provide us with the opportunity to set up our new video campaign. And a video campaign is very similar to the campaigns that we set up for our search ads or our display ads. But the first thing that you should do before you start with your campaign is select the Linked YouTube Accounts option here on the left-hand side under the Shared Library heading. And it's here that we'll have the option to link our YouTube channel to our AdWords account, which will give us even more features and some specialized reporting. And we'll do that by selecting the Link YouTube Channel option here on the right-hand side. Next, we need to select the option that makes most sense for us. We can either link a YouTube channel that we own, or we can link a YouTube channel that someone else owns. In this case, we own the YouTube channel that we're linking, so I'm going to leave the first option selected and then choose Go to YouTube. Now, I've already logged into my YouTube account, so it's going to drive me right into this page that's going to ask me to link the AdWords to this account. And the first thing that we need to do is give this a name in case we were linking it to multiple AdWords accounts. I'll go ahead and write in H+ AdWords account. And then for the permissions option, all three are pre-selected. And I prefer this as it gives us the most visibility into our view counts, into our ability to remarket, and into engagement metrics. You can review each of these and deselect any that you're not comfortable with. Once you've done that, choose Finish in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, we can verify that the account is linked by scrolling down and looking under the Account Name heading and see that our account is listed with our customer ID and our permissions. Once that's in there, you can close this tab to go back to AdWords, and then you'll choose Done from the prompt that's available. So now in this list down here, we can see that that account, that channel, is listed. Here we have the channel H+ Sports and the visible permissions. So now our YouTube account is linked to our AdWords account. So to get started with creating our first ad, I'll go back and choose the All Video Campaigns option from the navigation on the left-hand side. Now, depending on how you have AdWords set up, you might either go right back into the campaign option, or you're going to arrive at an All Video Campaigns view. If you do arrive at this view, simply choose Add Campaign in the bottom left-hand corner. And that'll take you back to the New Video Campaign wizard. Just as we did with our search and our display campaigns, we'll give this a name, something descriptive, and set a budget. I'll set a budget for $25 per day. Now with YouTube, your budget will determine how many views your video gets. So you'll be paying on a cost per view basis, typically 6 cents per view. So you'll need to figure out the right budget per day to make sure that you get the amount of views that you're hoping to see. Next, we can choose from the variety of YouTube networks. The first is YouTube Search, which is someone actively looking for a video. We have YouTube Videos, which will show your ads before other videos or on the recommended video platform. And you can also include the Google Display Network, which is sites other than YouTube. You can leave these all checked, or if you want to start simple, start with just YouTube Search. Next, pick your locations, and as always, being more specific is better than doing something too broad. So if your audience is in a certain location or a region, you can enter that in the box below, and Google will filter it to that specific location. I'm going to leave this as the United States and Canada just for the purpose of this demo. You can set the language, and then finally, you'll have the option of creating the video ad that you want displayed. And you'll do this either by searching for a video on YouTube, or you can paste in the URL that you found on your YouTube video page. I've already copied the URL, so I'm going to paste it in this view. And YouTube will load the video, and we can confirm that this is the one that we want. If it wasn't, we can choose the Change Video option. Next, we'll select ad formats. Here we can use the default ones, or we can use them formatted for mobile application promotions. Now, since this isn't a mobile app, I'll use the default formats. As we scroll down, we'll have the options of displaying our video in multiple manners. The first is an in-stream video display. And this is one that happens when someone goes to watch another video, and before that video loads, your commercial will play. You're only going to pay if someone watches 30 seconds or to the end of your ad. And 30 seconds is the longest ad that you probably want to start with when doing in-stream advertising. And you can run this commercial before videos that are related or to audiences that are going to be interested in your product. I'm going to disable the in-stream advertising because when you're just getting started, the best type of advertising is really an in-display ad. And I'll leave that selected, which is the second option. The in-display ad will show up when someone is searching for your particular keywords. And you'll create an ad, so you'll have a headline and a description, much like your search ad. And you can even choose a thumbnail that comes from the screenshots of the video that you've uploaded. So you'll enter in your headline and your description, and you'll want those to be very descriptive and relevant. And then you'll select the landing page. And that could be the channel page on YouTube, so you could land someone on the channel, which will show all of your videos, or the actual video watch page, which will let them start watching the video right away. I recommend starting with the video watch page, as someone who's searching for a video is most interested in launching that video right away. Then you'll pick your ad name, and then you'll choose Save and Continue. And from there, it's much like the other ads that we created before. You'll set your targeting options and launch your ad. Promoting YouTube videos can bring some really great results, so be sure to use the right targeting, start with a small market, and as always, continue testing until you find the winning combination.